Hi everyone, before this video starts, I want to remind you that I currently have the Hoagland & Sons Mark II chronograph, which I designed for sale. If you're interested, check out the link in the description. This is the kind of sequel to the watch that I designed as part of a successful Kickstarter campaign in 2019. I think you'll all be very interested in this watch. It has been an absolute joy to create. Again, check out the link in the description and we'll resume the rest of the video. Hi, this is Brandon from Watches on You. Today, I'm taking a look at the Breitling Avenger GMT Night Mission, and I want to remind you that we're here at Continental Diamond in St. Louis Park, Minnesota, where this watch is on sale for $4,995. I'll be dropping a link in the description if you want to inquire about purchasing this piece or one of the pieces from many of their other premium brands. Now, let's start this review. So the reason I wanted to review this watch was because it is fairly unique within the Breitling range. And what I mean by that is it kind of harkens back to the Breitlings of the, I would say, 90s and early 2000s and how utilitarian its design is. Breitling in recent years has tried to release more heritage-inspired pieces that are a little bit more understated, but this really gets back to kind of the military roots and, again, utilitarian roots of the brand. And I kind of like that. I also like how modern they made it with the new additions of kind of a unique font color. It's got the orange numerals on the dial and kind of the lighter orange lume on the hands and then some of the indices. I think, again, that really sets this piece apart. Also, it's a GMT, which is always exciting to review because it's a very useful complication, again, for flying and traveling. And definitely the Breitling customer base will find that extremely useful, as I said. But now let's jump into the case. So it's got a 45 millimeter case that is made out of DLC coated titanium. It definitely has some heft to it. It's not quite as light as many of the other titanium watches that I've felt, which I kind of like, I would say. As far as finishing, it's completely brushed. I would say I really like the finishing though, because everything is very, very sharp and crisp. And titanium is extremely difficult to finish, so that's a definitely high praise for the brand there. And going over to the movement, the watch has a ETA-based movement. It's the Breitling Caliber 32. It's got a power reserve around 40 hours, which is, it could be better, frankly, for this price. I understand that with the quality of the piece and obviously the strength of the Breitling brand, why they can charge the price they do, but I think that in future years, it'd be nice to see a larger power reserve with that. It is automatic, so if you have a watch winder, which many Breitling owners probably do have, you should be totally fine there. But again, it's just one area of improvement for them. One other thing I want to mention, it has a 300 meter water resistance, which is, I would say, essential, and actually fairly unique for a GMT watch. You could definitely use this watch for diving. It has a rotating bezel. The bezel feels very, very nice. It's not smooth like a Rolex, I would say. It's very, it has very defined clicks, but again, it's totally suitable for diving. It is unidirectional, so that's, again, an important feature. I'll move on to a wrist shot. So as I was saying, the watch has a 45 millimeter diameter, which is rather large, but it doesn't really feel like that. I would say it feels like it has about a 43. It's very comfortable. I would say the actual brushed finishing kind of makes the watch more comfortable because it slides fairly easily on your skin kind of as you would move throughout the day. So that's an important thing, definitely, that I wanted to mention. So overall, if you like this review, remember to like, subscribe, and share, and also check out the link in the description to Continental Diamond's website. Thank you for watching this review.